Hey guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. And if you guys have already been subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for subscribing. Today's video is an extra special one. It's a dupe video for the Urban Decay's Naked Honey palette. And I'm going to dupe that palette with a $5 palette, the newest palette from Wet n Wild, and this is called Call Me Sunshine palette. They have encapsulated the Naked Honey palette in like 10 forms so beautifully, I would say. It definitely has those warm browns, amber shades, rich brown, copper shades, everything, the golds in one palette. I mean, if you were eyeing Naked Honey palette, I would say just go for this, because out of the 12 shades in the Naked Honey palette, 10 of the shades are right here. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. The first shade in the Naked Honey palette is called Flyby, which is a champagne shade. And this is duped by the number 1 shade in the Wet n Wild palette, which is perfect for like inner corner highlight or a brow bone shade, I would say. Now, when I say number 1 shade in the Wet n Wild palette, I'm basically numbering the shadows in the Wet n Wild like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just because there are no shades in the Wet n Wild palette. I mean, I'm not complaining about that. We're getting this for $5. I mean, you know. The second shade in the Naked Honey palette is called Sweet, which is a matte skin tone shade. And this is basically my skin tone shade. Absolutely beautiful and necessary as a base shade all over the lid, just to blend out any other shadows, especially when it is like yellow golden shades. I think this is a must have in the palette. The third shade in the Naked Honey palette is called Swarm, which is a matte yellow mustard shade, and this is being duped by the number 9 shadow in the Wet n Wild palette. And this is such a beautiful shade in my collection, I would say, altogether. This is the shade that I have on my crease today. Absolutely lovely to blend any other shadows on top of each other, as well as a very good transition shade. The fourth shade in the palette is called Amber, which is a shimmer amber shade, I would say, with a little bit of like copper in it. And this is being duped by the number 6th shadow in the Wet n Wild palette. And this is such a creamy, bronzy amber shade. I mean, I love those tones, especially in like the summer season. This is such a summer palette, according to me. I mean, I absolutely love the concept that Wet n Wild is coming out with, and in the direction which they are going. I absolutely love it. Let's move on. The 5th shade in the palette is called Keeper, which is more of a neutral brown in the palette, and that is not included in the palette. And I think for a reason, just because I think there are redundant shades in the Naked Honey palette, which Wet n Wild has not put in their palette, which is always good and plus point, I would say. It's very, very similar. Like, it's a mix between this shade and the deeper brown shade in the palette. And I would say if you have like Wet n Wild's My Glamour Squad palette, the exact shade is this one, the 9th shade from My Glamour Squad. It's a basic neutral brown shade. If you are like a eyeshadow person, you will definitely have this kind of a brown. It's a very neutral brown. And this is what it is duped for Keeper from the Naked Honey palette. Now let's move on to the 6th shade, which is called Golden. And this is being duped by the 3rd shade from the Wet n Wild palette. Now this is more of a topper shade in the Wet n Wild palette, and I think in the Naked Honey palette it's more of a solid shimmer shade. But I like the aspect that they have given like as a topper shade, but stunning shade to have in the collection. I mean, I will definitely show you the swatches. I love the shine that it gives, and I love the golden undertone that they have given in all these shades. I mean, definitely a dupe for Naked Honey palette. Now the 7th shade in the Naked Honey palette is called Honey, which is also the 7th shade in the Wet n Wild palette. And this is this, you know, in your face golden kind of a shade, which everybody is coming out with, if you know what I mean. And this is such a beautiful gold, and this is what I have like in the center of my eyelid today, just for like that pop. This would make any eyeshadow pop like no other, I would say. The 8th shadow in the Naked Honey palette is called Queen, which is also the 8th eyeshadow in the Wet n Wild palette, and this is more of that green gold shimmer, I would say. And this is what I have like mixed up with the outer and the inner corners. This is such a good antique gold with a green in it. I mean, I love those dirty greens, and this is one of the favorite shades in the palette. The next shade in the palette is called Hive, which is duped by the 5th shadow in the Wet n Wild palette, and that is this mustardy brown shade in the palette. It definitely has a lot of warmth in it, and I think in this kind of a palette, this is basically the best transition shade that they could have put in like honey golden palette. A beautiful matte, and this is what I have like deepened up my crease with in this eye look. Now the 10th shade in the Naked Honey palette is called Drip, which is again a shade that is not included in this palette, but again you would have like so many shades in your collection if you are like a neutral warm tone person. And again, it's been duped in the My Glamour Squad palette, and this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 7th shade in the palette, and which is this orangey brown shade, the deep warm brown if you have it in your collection. And this is how the dupe for Drip looks like. Any warm tone orangey brown shade, I mean, I love to apply that like on my lid. I absolutely love it. I mean, even if you buy these 2 palettes from Wet n Wild, the Glamour Squad palette as well as my, what is that called? Call Me Sunshine palette, I mean, still you're just like under $10 instead of 50 something dollars for Naked Honey palette. Now, just saying. Now, the 11th shade in the Naked Honey palette is called HPIC. I don't know what that means, but it is being duped by the number 4th shadow in the Wet n Wild palette, and this is more of the true bronze shade in the palette. I absolutely love to wear this in the summer months. It's a bronze with a red undertone, and it's absolutely amazing, especially on green and brown eyes. I mean, this would look so beautiful and make the eye color pop. I absolutely love that shade in the palette. Now, finally, we have the shade called Sting from the Naked Honey palette, which is being duped by the 10th shade in the Call Me Sunshine palette, and it is this deep brown shade with a neutral undertone. Again, a must have in the collection. This is what I have in the inner and the outer corners to deepen up my look. I absolutely feel the route that Wet n Wild is going is such a stunning route. I would love for drugstores to come out with like high quality palette so that everyone can enjoy the eyeshadows and like makeup in the industry. But yes, out of the palettes that I have from Wet n Wild, and I have quite a few, I would say. One more in the drawer, but that's too old. So, if you guys remember, do you guys remember the 12 pan shades with like all of the shimmers? I mean, that was a vibe. But out of the whole palettes that I have from Wet n Wild, I definitely, my top 2 are these 2. My Glamour Squad and Call Me Sunshine palette, and I love the route they are going with this palette. It's the same size, but the quality and the quantity of the eyeshadows that they are including in the newer palettes is much more better, and they have like such blendable quality, I would say. I absolutely love it. Now, if you want to see, the pan size in the older palette is much smaller than the pan size that they have going in the newer palette, and the older palette came with 0.35 ounce, which is 10 grams, and this one comes with 12 grams, 0.42 ounce. So I basically feel that they are really doing a great job in the drugstore. If you tell me what is an affordable palette that I should buy, I mostly recommend Wet n Wild shadows, and especially my Glamour Squad. But if you are like that warm tone yellow person, I mean, you will definitely not be disappointed with this too. But out of like the drugstore, I really feel that they are doing great on the eyeshadows. So that's all for today. I really hope that you loved this dupe video, and if you like more dupe videos, I'll link a few of them in the iCards above as well as in the description box. Do check it out. I definitely have a playlist going called Dupe That. I would definitely leave that also in the end of the video, so that if you want to check out my dupes, you can definitely do that. And if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe before leaving, and also ring my notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post next. I generally upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.